Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give a complete explanation about HP started their hiring for freshers from all over India. Just give me 1 or 2 minutes spent in our channel. It will be helpful for you to get a 1IT job. Just subscribe and like my channel. I am just providing so many kinds of jobs, interview experience, interview questions, so you can watch our video at any time. So let's go to the page. This is what they from HP started their hiring from Electronic Cities Bangalore, which they started their hiring for 4.9 plus 1.5 allowance for the night shift, and 18 to 21 batches they can apply. And you are going to apply in litmus papers. Number of positions 60 positions they are hiring. This is for BTech MEM type from BCom MCom from all semesters who are cleared with good academic records. They can apply for this role completely for them. And the job responsibility they have mentioned here: ability to work on hardware and networking, and good communication skill and interpersonal skill and the stakeholders. So this kind of skills they are mentioned here. And the requirement of job which they mentioned: excellent communication. All IT companies need an excellent communication. So every time you are applying any job, just be in fluency in English, basic knowledge and good typing skill they mention. And the salary which we have seen already, 3.4 after completed, 1.5 allowance they can mention here. Note the shift basis they mentioned here itself. You are going to work in Electronic Cities Bangalore, so be ready. So this is what they from eLitmus platform you are going to apply. This is what the platform. So just create account in eLitmus and start applying. Don't pay any amount, they won't charge any amount. So just want to log in and apply here itself. So if you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section, I will help you. Daily I am just providing 5 to 6 IT MNCs you can apply. So JPM, and this all their hiring openings currently. So go to apply as much you can. It will be helpful for you to get a one job. So thanks for watching guys.